Let your creativity take a giant leap.
This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. If you're looking to level up your visual content and take that giant leap from amateur to professional, this video is for you. Because I'm going to walk you through 3 key Adobe Express Premium features that will transform your ideas into beautiful AI-generated images, stamp your personality onto every piece of content with your own brand assets, and resize everything into social-ready formats across every platform, all with just a few clicks. And I'll be giving you the chance to sign up to a premium Adobe Express account for free for 3 months with zero risk. So let's make a start by taking a look at how to use Adobe Express's generative AI tools to turn an idea into a beautiful image. To generate an image, start by clicking on Start New Design, select the Quick Actions tab, and then click on Generative AI. Click on the thumbnail that says Generate Image, and here you are in the design editor all ready to go. From the left-hand column, select the AI model that you want to use. Adobe Express's generative AI tools are powered by Adobe Firefly. Anything generated by Firefly is commercially safe to use, which is an added bonus and gives me peace of mind. But the benefit of having a premium account is that you also get to use any of the non-Firefly AI models within Adobe Express. There are some hidden features in Adobe Firefly which make generating AI images incredibly easy. Reference images help explain to Firefly exactly what kind of AI image you want it to generate. It's a bit like showing a hairstylist a photograph of a hairstyle that you like rather than having to explain it in words. A style reference will determine the look and feel of an image, whereas a composition reference determines the arrangement or the layout. To upload your reference images into Adobe Express, just click on the plus icons. Next, select your content type by clicking on the downward arrow and selecting either photo, graphic, art, or let Firefly choose by leaving it on auto. And underneath that, you'll find a whole list of artistic styles which you can apply to your AI image. Finally, it's time to write the text prompt. There's no magic formula when it comes to writing text prompts. Just remember to use natural language, be as descriptive as possible, include things like lighting, camera angles, and just let your imagination go. For a deeper dive into writing text prompts to generate images, just click on the link which is coming up right at the end of this video. If you'd like Firefly to give you some helpful suggestions as you write your text prompt, make sure you toggle this little button to the on position. You'll see Firefly's suggested prompts appear as you start typing. Select any of them to use as your prompt. Click Generate and watch what happens. The beauty of using Adobe Firefly is that it will generate 4 different images for you to choose from. From here, you can either download an image directly to your own device, or you can select it and open it up into the Adobe Express editor to customize it further. Okay, so I've got one AI generated image, but it doesn't look like a brand image that's ready to post to social media. And this is where feature 2 comes in, the Adobe Express Brand Kit. Go to the column in the left-hand side and click on Brands. This is a premium feature, but you can create as many brands as you need. To set up a brand, just click on this little brand icon, select Manual Setup, give your brand a name, click on Create, and then you can go ahead and upload your logos, click on Colours to create your own brand palette, select your brand fonts, upload your graphics and photographs. From here, you're just a few clicks away from adding your own brand text, customizing it with your brand colours, and adding a little bit of extra flair by adding some text effects. Okay, so far so good. I've got one beautifully branded image. But one image in isolation is no good to me because I always need images with different ratios so I can share my content on different social media platforms. Feature 3, which is the resize feature, is where it all came together and made a premium account feel like it was worth the investment. So to resize a template, go up to the top left-hand corner of the Adobe Express toolbar and click on the downward arrow next to File. Scroll down and tap Resize. Then scroll down the left-hand side column to find the different template categories. Click on a category like social media and ads to reveal the different template ratios. Select a new template by placing a little tick in the little box beside it. And the next step is very important. You're also going to place a tick into this little box that says Expand Image. This ensures that Firefly's AI tools will automatically expand image length and height to fit the new layout and matches the original image. Finally, click Duplicate and Resize and watch Firefly AI magic in action as it fills in the blank spaces to resize your image. And that is absolutely perfect. Firefly generates 3 separate images, so again select which one you want to work with and then click Keep. The resized image will form a different page under the same project. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. So sign up to Adobe Express now and get a free upgrade to a premium account, which is available to all new and existing free users until April the 26th. You will find a clickable link underneath this video in the description. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into generating images using Adobe Express's generative AI tools, just click the link which is coming up in the end screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.